Okay, so what we have here is a minecart station that is used in servers. Now, this is the red station that we're in front of, as you can see from that sign. And you can transport to three other stations, the yellow, green, and blue. And it's automatic pretty much. So everything's automatic, cart loading and everything. So to go onto your cart, travel up here. It might take a little bit. And then this is the waiting room. Everyone just waits in here until their turn. You go in here, doors locked behind you, they cannot be opened. And as that happens, your cart will come into the station right there. Now that pressure plate right there, once you run over it, the doors open over there, and that is an override switch in case your cart does not come to your exact station. So to go, you just hit this button, which powers that rail. Then you go through. That door sound you heard was the doors opening, letting the next person in. And right now we don't have it leading anywhere. We just, yeah, pretty much. And to go back in from your other stations, you would be riding on these lower rails right here. So this will just simulate coming in. Hop off, and that's it. Okay, and then you're back from where you started. So that's that. Okay, so this is the yellow station, or the loading area to yellow station is right below us, and then this is the actual station itself. So right under it. Okay, so these a little bit lag there. Sorry about that. Apologies. This is pretty much what activates the doors. So the doors are right there, and on the other side they're right there. Okay, but this just splits it off so that the doors are double doors and they open at the same time so that it doesn't sound that bad. And then, as I was saying before, this is a specially designed RS NOR latch that we have created for this type because all other NOR latches that we made did not work. Just didn't. So pretty much what it lets you do is that when you put a signal into here, it works as a basic RS NOR latch, but the signal that's in this one will also transmit to this line by this repeater. So you can pretty much have power go to one thing and shut off by something else. It's kind of confusing, but it just works for the situation.
I'm gonna hit it.
Okay, yeah, go hit it. You'll see. So Cool U is going to hit the pressure plates, and that changes that. And as you can see, the repeater will also power that line and close the doors. Now, when we travel this line down, Nick, don't launch yourself yet.
Right.
It will travel down into here, and then it will go into this. Now, this is just a blinker, and it will just send off a momentary pulse that activates this trapdoor, which is pretty much a giant minecart dispenser that we have built into the whole system, and that will release it down into this, and then it will go into this splitter. And what the splitter does, it just separates where the minecarts go. So right now it is set for yellow station, so it will go up and it will go there. So Nick, hit the button. Get off the minecart, or never mind. Okay, Duncan, are you inside? Go inside and hit the pressure pad, and then we'll see everything work. Okay, there that goes. Comes up here, goes to the splitter, follows the yellow, and there we go. Goes inside yellow station, and Duncan, you can use it. And then they come out and go over there. Okay, so that's that. Now, Nick, go into the green station. It's all stations are set up pretty much the same way, except blue and green station. They have certain lines connecting into the splitter. So the green line will activate the yellow tr- uh, trail or rail so that Okay, it will activate this one so that it will go into the green, and then blue activates yellow and green so that it will go into the blue. So yellow's here, green's here, it goes into blue. So that all works the same, and then all of these are linked into the same blinker and everything. Okay, so that's that. Now, uh, let's see. Up here, the dispenser. Here, let me just load it up with a couple more. So pretty much basic minecart dispenser. You got powered rails that just direct it into the funnel. But then right here we have a detector, an overflow detector, so that it doesn't overflow pretty much. Now this line, right now it's a work in progress, but we have a backup right now. It's not working. The AND gate is not working for some reason. Don't know why, but it will go into the backup. But let's just say the backup wasn't there. It would switch the track right here, and that would send all the carts into a cactus trap so that they don't jam the whole system up. So that's that. And okay, so entering this station, you saw the different lines that you come in. So here's the three intersecting lines. You hit this pad right here, and that pad leads to these two note blocks, and they play different tones, just signaling that you have arrived. And you didn't see it because it accidentally hit the cart, but when you step on these pressure pads, it lights up that powered rail, and that sends it down. And the wiring for that. Okay, so pressure pads are right here. The doors are right there. The pressure pads open the door, and then a line comes down here, gets inverted, and then it powers this torch right here that will turn the rail on. And then from there, you just have normal double doors again. So right here, double doors, pretty straightforward. Again, you can see them everywhere. Walk out, and that is it. So I give credit to CoolU and Duncan4321. Check out 4321 Duncan's channel, and see you later.